have an unboxing from Miss Michelle's Creations, which is wax melts. I haven't ordered from her in a while, and so I decided to place an order. This is the package. And it looks adorable inside. Every time I get wax melts in the summer, I'm always afraid by the time it comes in, it's going to be all melty. But anyway, so let's take a peek at what's inside. She was having a sale, so I had to order various things. All right, so we have bedtime bath. Super cute little duckies. So cute. I don't know why. I'm just a sucker for these little bathing duckies. They're always so freaking cute to me. All right, and some Frankenberry. You know, Frankenberry cereal. Oh, it smells so good. So, what's next? I don't even remember what I ordered. All I remembered were those little duckies. All right, Booberry. So, much like Frankenberry, we have the Booberry. And it's like a little ghost. And it's blue, obviously. But if you look around at it, you see that there are little surprises inside. All right. Her little wax melts are just shaped so cutely. They make the best melting videos. Called Mac Apple. Oh my gosh, that smells just like an apple. As it should, right? But sometimes you get like apple and it's like sour apple or it's too sweet apple. It's not true apple. This actually smells like a fall apple. You know, when you go into the store smells like the fruit section smells like apples. No? Just me? Oh, okay. Strawberry white cake is next. This one looks like it got a little melty. But it's like a little bundt cake. And then another one. Super, I think it's just broken up. But everything was like on super sale, so here it is. Next, oh, these are so cute. This is laundromat, and so I got the little brittle, but look how pretty the little shapes are on there. Oh, oh, it smells good. And next, clean cotton. Looks like it has like pieces of chocolate and gummy bears on it. I don't know why it smells just like laundromat. I think they should smell different because they have different names. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe once I melt them, I'll see what the difference is. And here is another clean cotton. I need to stop with this wax melt obsession. And then another, did I buy two of everything? Another Blueberry. I like the smell of that. I was just trying to figure out whether it actually smelled like blueberry or something else, but it smells really nice. Luckily one of these came intact. Oh, this smells so good. Oh yes, this Baja cactus. I love the smell of Baja cactus anyway, but the scent is so strong right through the packaging. I had to like make noise about it. Super cute. So I got two of those, or two tarts in a bag. Didn't realize I ordered this much, but when there's a sale, you got to take advantage, right? I got 2 packages of lemon squares because lemon is the best thing ever. As a matter of fact, I have lemon in one of my warmers today, so I got 2 of them. And then the last thing that I got is called So Delicious. And I'm not even sure why I got it, other than I just said why not. I don't know that I've ever smelled this scent before. It's not a bad scent, but here they are. And they're super cute. They have, let me slow that down for you because there's like shimmer on there. Maybe I should take it out of the package. So there's shimmer on it. And then there's also like little star confetti in there as well. Alright, so we had the So Delicious, which actually does smell delicious. We have the lemon squares. Let me pull one out for you. Oh, it smells like lemon and cheesecake or something. The lemon squares. We had the 2 packages of that. We have the blueberry. Okay, yeah, it does smell like blueberry. And there's that one with a little blue confetti on there, or shimmer, or whatever you want to call it. And I've got 2 of those. And then, I'm sure you guys can see these through. We got the laundromat. We got the clean cotton. Some more clean cotton. We got the Frankenberry. Look at this freaking cute little robot. And I got a couple of those. We got the Baja Cactus, which I already took out of the package for you, so I won't do it again. We had the strawberry white cake. Can't even see the pour date. What? This must be really old, because it says pour date 8/10. So was this, let me see the pour dates on the other ones. Yeah, so this was last year, which is not a problem. That's probably why they look like this. She was trying to clean up her inventory. It's the longer it cures, the better the scent, so that's not a problem. We had some more Frankenberry, and finally the adorable little, what is it called? Bedtime bath, which is, first of all, the scent on this, I've had it a couple times before and I keep ordering it. Look at that. And he's on water with the bubbles on top. Alright guys, I know I'm a fool. That's it for Miss Michelle's creations, and I've actually got a little extra money in my pocket, so I actually have a few unboxings coming up because I decided, well, I have this little extra bucks in my pocket, I might actually do a couple of unboxings. So coming up for you guys, I have some vampire mystery box unboxing, a horror mystery box unboxing. I have some more wax melts and tons of bath bombs. In particular, I'm excited about Sin City soaps because I think I ordered like a bunch of bath bombs and some wax melts from her. So excited. All right, guys, that's it. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.